Good morning. My name is Mama Zeid and this is my wife.
Hello, hi, I'm Yati.
So the concept of the house that we are choosing is modern minimalist. This is to make sure that we optimize the space that we had, and in future it's easier for us to do maintenance.
We first got the key from developer. I discussed with my husband how we should design this house, and then I googled and found Rekaton and few other designers. But we're choosing Rekaton because of the good rating and review. It's very competitive price compared to the others, and their proposal also very up to date and very modern. Some of the things that I chose might not under the scope of this modern minimalist, but the interior designer had to advise me this one looks better, and it's really meet up the concept of this modern minimalist. When the interior designer showed us the VR, we actually were impressed because I expect to get this kind of visualization, and it very close and help us to understand how closest view of how the result will be. Very accommodating, I would say, because some of the things that we saw on the VR, we would like to change based on our personal preferences. So they help us to choose and change according to our liking. My favorite area would be home office because that's where I would spend my time, most of my time over there. And Rekaton had to design the area to my own preferences. I feel comfortable working over there.
So my favorite area would be the lounge, because normally during normal weekdays I have a hectic life in the office, so that is the place where I got my inspiration and release all my stress. And the way that it be designed makes me feel comfortable, and it gives me a bit more good surroundings within the house. For the EPMC is very helpful, right? Because both of us are working in a point that we don't have much time to observe in terms of progress of the house, progress of the renovation, checking for the defects and updating all those daily site progress, right? So by having the EPMC, everything being managed smoothly, and if there is any changes, they try their best to accommodate into our request. And finally, after few months of the work being done, and this is our house now.
I'm very satisfied, I think, together with my husband, because so far we don't encounter any issues dealing with Rekaton team. I would say Rekaton is attentive, reliable, and also competitive.